Squids are fascinating creatures, often misunderstood due to their elusive nature. They belong to the class Cephalopoda, a group that also includes octopuses and cuttlefish. Squids are marine animals, living mainly in oceans worldwide. The most common squid species, the giant squid, can grow up to 43 feet long, while the smaller, more common Atlantic squid grows about 3 feet. The squid's body is divided into two main parts, the mantle and the tentacles. The mantle is a large, thin, and flattened part that supports the head, funnel, and internal organs. The tentacles are long, slender appendages used for capturing prey. The squid's most striking feature is its eyes, which are the largest in the animal kingdom. They can be as large as 10 inches in diameter and have a unique structure that allows them to see in low light conditions, making them effective hunters in the deep sea. Squids are known for their ability to change color and pattern rapidly. This camouflage helps them blend into their surroundings and avoid predators. They can also emit a cloud of ink to distract predators while they escape. The squid's diet primarily consists of fish and other small marine animals. They use their tentacles to capture prey, and their beak to tear it apart. Squids are also known to communicate using a series of clicks and body movements. Squids play a crucial role in marine ecosystems. As apex predators, they help control the population of smaller marine animals. They are also an essential food source for larger marine animals, such as sharks and whales. Squids have been a part of human culture for centuries. In Japan, the squid is a delicacy and is often eaten raw as sashimi or grilled as teppanyaki. Squids are also used in traditional Japanese art, such as ukiyo-e prints and kabuki theater. Despite their popularity in culture, squids remain elusive and mysterious creatures. Much about their behavior, reproduction, and life cycle remains unknown. Research continues to uncover more about these fascinating cephalopods, shedding light on their complex and wondrous world. In conclusion, squids are amazing marine animals with unique features and adaptations that make them effective hunters in the deep sea. Their ability to change color, communicate, and ink to escape predators make them fascinating creatures to study and observe. Despite being hunted and eaten by humans, squids play a vital role in marine ecosystems as apex predators and food sources for larger marine animals.